Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you fed up with missing tools in your AutoCAD interface? In this video, I will show you how to bring back those missing tools and get your workflow back on track. I will guide you through a step-by-step solution to restore your AutoCAD workspace to its default settings or customize it to your needs. First, check the workspace. In AutoCAD, workspace determines which tools and menus are displayed. To check the workspace, go to the workspace switching, which is located here. Then ensure that the desired workspace is selected. If the workspace is set correctly but tools are still missing, try resetting the workspace to its default settings. To do this, go to the Manage tab, click on Customize, then select User Interface. Right-click on Workspace to reset settings to default. Also, you can reset workspace by switching to a different workspace, then switch back to the original workspace. For example, I'm working in drafting in the annotation. I can switch to 3D modeling. Then I switch back to drafting the annotation. Check the ribbon and toolbars. Let's check the ribbon and toolbars. Make sure that the necessary tabs and panels are enabled. You can customize the ribbon by right-click on empty space, then select Show Tabs or Show Panels to add some panels to add some tabs. For example, I want to add Visualize. Then I will tick, you see, Visualize tab is added. If the specific tools are still missing, you can use the Customize User Interface edit to customize the interface. To access the Customize User Interface edit, go to the Manage tab, click on Customization here, then select User Interface. From here, you can add or remove tools and menus as needed. Here, we need to bring back the missing tools one by one. So I will start with the ribbon. To bring back the ribbon, just type ribbon or press Ctrl 0. You see, the ribbon comes back. To bring back the command line, press Ctrl 9. You see, the command line is restored. To bring back navigation bar, V-cube and user coordinate system, we go to the View tab. Then we left click here on user coordinate system. You see, the user coordinate system is restored. Then left click on VCube. Then the VCube is displayed. Left click on navigation bar. Then you see navigation bar is restored. We left with file tabs and layout and module tabs. To bring back the file tabs and layout and module tabs, we go to the options dialog box. We type options. Then to bring back file tabs, we just tick here file tabs, display file tabs, then tick. Then to display layout and module tabs, we come here, then left click. Then display fed tapes and display layout and model tapes. Save your customization by clicking apply, then OK. You see, file tab is restored, module and layout tabs is restored.